Alright, you guys, we are here at Area 51. I just got the go-ahead to do videos, and here are their specials for this month. It looks like the fountain in the middle here, Kiss of Dead. We've got Pure Evil. It's a six shot, 6 canister shells rather, 5-inch shells. And then I'm here a 38 shot. And the specials are $9.99, $27.99, and $24.99. Cool little alien here. So I'll do a walkthrough. I don't know how much of it we'll get, but it's pretty quiet here. Not much going on. So we're gonna start over here in the fountain section. Woohoo! My little go-to. And they are buy one, get 2 free. So we got Have a Blast. There's look like cake toppers here. You have these Patriot sticks, which are like Morning Glory or Waterfall Fountain style. You have Night Owl up here, $7.99. Buy one, get 2. Again, they're all buy one, get 2. Citadel, $49.99 from Brothers. Nice looking fountain. Alien Whistlers, $6.99. Down here, another torch item, not priced. Violets and Crimson, $7.99. These are small little, like number 3 fountains. Here's Soldier, that's cool. At $5.99, this thing rolls. Buy one, get 2 free. My Boss is huge. This is $3.79. I think it's just buy one, get that same one. Buy one, get that same one for free. Pyro Engine, $59.99. Same type of deal. They have case prices too, so some of these might be better to buy cases, like the bigger ones especially. Booby Trap. I think you guys can see the prices. $14.99. Frog Prince Princess. Totally Circus, $14.99. Pyrotastic, red to blue to green to yellow. Cutting Edge, 2-piece. Not sure what these are. Some sort of fountain deal, I think. That looks neat. $9.99. Happiness Fountain, $7.99. Beer Pack, Fool's Gold, $14.99. World Class Cones, number 8, $9.99. Fish Time Frenzy, $14.99. Silver of Silver, $14.99. Flipping Fire, $14.99. Laser Sword, Burley. Probably not gonna be able to read all these guys. I'm just tired. Extra Zesty, $14.99. Ecstasy, $14.99. $19.99 for Girl Power. Cake Party, that's a fun one. The thing flips. You got Sassy Sally, that's probably like a Piccolo Pete. On a Roll, $19.99. Ripple Effect, $19.99. The Reveal, Gender Reveal, blue or pink, of course. Opening Flower, $19.99. Assorted Fountains, $19.99 for 4. Stars Come Out, it's beautiful, $24.99. That one's very similar to Centennial Fountain from TNT and also Rock of Ages. Made in the USA at $24.99. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. A monkey there. They have a case price, $107.99. Don't remember how many they have in that one. Dust Up, $29.99. Touching Sun. Unicorn, $29.99. Giant Leap. Looks like a big boot. Bee's Knees, a classic. This is new up here. I haven't seen this. Have you seen this, Alexis? No. Fantasy Reality by Brothers. Does that look like cat calls? Yeah, and you have Amazing. You're right, $119. Okay, we'll check out those. Mammoth, $139.99. Bowl of Cherries. This is sweet. This is actually small. Wow, it's a lot smaller than it looks. By Brothers. This is awesome. $29.99. Flash Frenzy, mug of beer, $24.99. Frog Prince and Princesses, $34.99. Spellbound, $29.99. Topical Fish, $29.99. American Core, $39.99. World's Strongest, $34.99. Watching You, $44.99. Giant Sparklers. Lemon Lime Delight is huge. $39.99. It's probably what, it's just a lot of cardboard, but it's really tall. Bowl of Cherries, you gotta look at that one again. Fish Out of Water, No Fumar, Display, and Sparklers. All right, is that it? That's it for the fountains. I know you guys are bored. Show us the mortars, Redbeard. Do we want to do some of these too? I guess we can. Got a little bit of time. Cakes here. Red, white, and blue. Courtesy of the red, white, and blue. $59.99. Master of Disaster, $69.99. Swords of Fire, $69.99. Fire Drake, these are all $69.99. Future Warrior, and then Tailgate Party, $79.99. These are buy one get two free. Obviously, a little expensive. Retail. Master of Disaster, cool. So $69.99 for 3 of these, or $69.99 for Future Warrior. Interesting. Definite borehole size difference. Rifle range ahead, $79.99. That's a cool label. Cream Alien, $79.99. 52 shot here. Network Security, $79.99. Freedom Fighter, $89.99. American Rhythm, 156 shots, $89.99. It's a boy, $89.99. Boy Honor Power, $89.99. Same prices here, $89.99 for Badge of Honor, Opt-Up, Majestic 12, same price, and then Blue Ice is $99.99. You got America Praying, very nice. That's a cool graphic. $99.99, and I think that, you know, I think anything yellow is just the same. I don't think they'll buy one get one free. I'm not sure, or maybe it's a buy one get one free, not two, because $100 for 2 is probably still a very decent deal. These are $100 each. Spring loaded, Battle Cry, and LOL. Yeah, I think these are for 1 in yellow. Okay, you guys can comment and tell me if I'm right or wrong. Jenna Reveal, $99.99. These are same price. My Vice is $99.99. Amped, $99.99. Armed Forces, $109 by World Class. This is our country, $109. Wise Guys, $109.99. There you go. Do we miss anything over here? Ground Blooms, couple assortments for barbecue. Rando, Maximum Impact, $39.99. Yeah, these are single prices. Thriller, $49.99. Sorry, I didn't get the whole thing there for you. Mix It Up, $29.99. A couple fountains there. A lot of novelty stuff and smoke. Buy one, get 2 free. Red, white, and blue, $7.99. Giant Sparkler, $69.99. $6.99, sorry. Great balls of smoke. Don't buy those, just a lot of pretty wrapping. Very expensive. Smoke grenades. Hen-laying eggs, all different kinds of novelties that you guys might enjoy. But I'm not gonna sit here and read every single price. Bug Zapper, World Spins, kind of like Zips. What we got over here? All-Star Assortment Bag, $24.99. Revolution, $99.99. Now these are green, so I think it's a buy one get 2 free. This is one Great Night Extravaganza, $49.99. Looks like a good deal. Maybe not. Compared to the California prices we have, great deal. Star Power, $89.99. It's hard to see, sorry for the glare. Encore Presentation, $269. That's a big one. All right, you know the value. Most of these things are really in buying the singles, make your own assortments, even with aerials. Gender reveal section, very cool. These run $89.99, $99.99, $89.99 for these cakes. All right, different smokes. Alien Fun Assortment. I don't know what that is. $100. All right, okay. So much fun. It's in a box. You can't contain the excitement. Here we go. One of my favorites. Oh, these are single prices. Okay. These are the 75% off. So I wonder what the case is. $35. All right. Not too horrible. That's a fountain. Let's see. Giant Panda, Irish Legend, $19.99. Red Trip, $12.50. These are single prices. Single pieces. Sky Diamond 200 gram cake for $20. Flirting Greatness, $7. Heavy Artillery, no price. Alright. $10 with some jigs. Aloha Time, It's a nice fountain, $6.99. It's all nitrocellulose in about a minute. 35 Salute, and $40 Believe. No app. That's a pretty good deal for you. And do they have a wholesale section anymore? That was, maybe it's closed. Huh, we'll have to ask. All right, more assortments. Sorry guys, just running out of strength. I'm tired. All right, let's see what else there is, and then we'll go. I think these might be some case specials over here. What do we got? There's Amazing. 401, Watching You, Wicked Jester, Oktoberfest. No pricing though. Okay, Alien Executioner, probably, and there's Pure Evil, which I think I thought they were offering up front. Maybe not, maybe a different one. Good assortment. All cutting edge product. Awesome. Let me head over to the cans and kind of give you guys an overview here. You know, they typically do wholesale, but at least you can see some of the things they have. Pure Pyro, they're selling for 90 bucks. $89.99. Pure Power, $109.99. Excalibur Platinums, $109.99. Jakari, maybe? I'm not into dragons and stuff, but that looks cool. Who makes that? Cutting Edge. Excalibur, $89.99. Reaper's Doom, canister shells. That one's $89.99. Fiberglass, this is a great deal. 16-1, 15 bucks. I might actually do that. I could use that, some tubes. 16 for, oh, $15. 16 for 15. Quest, 90 bucks. And Alien canister shells here. And then you can see some other, the King of Rock and Roll, 24 shells, 6 double break shells, 6 triple breaks, 300 bucks. Seems like a lot. 36 shots, yeah. Statue of Liberty assortment, $249. Bootlegger stream, $349. All right, you guys, that is what you can get out of here. Assortments are pretty much same that I've seen in the past. Doesn't look to be anything new here. At least the shelves are still stocked for the most part. All right, you guys, thanks for sitting through this. If you did, I hope you enjoyed it.